Beware of COVID-15. Now, what is COVID-15? You know, we've had COVID-19 going around forever, but here are the symptoms: stress eating, laziness, and weight gain. It is caused by the quarantine, and it is the related condition of the freshman 15. You've heard of that before, right? The term freshman 15 is an expression commonly used in the United States to refer to the amount of weight gain by college students their first year at college. The quarantine 15. So not only did the people on the 7 Systems Plan not have to experience that 15, they lost. So these are pounds lost during quarantine. So not only are they not up that 15, they're down 30, so they're down an extra 45 or 35 pounds because they were following a proven plan. Here's Dana. Dana actually, during the quarantine, lost another 30 pounds, getting toward her goal. And here's a couple, their first week on the 7 Systems Plan. He lost 20 pounds, she lost 10 pounds. If you are having problems with some weight gain that happened during quarantine, or maybe it was before then, I want you to attend a free information meeting. We have it every week in our office. Just call this number and they'll get you in. Now, if you're not in the area, we do have our course online, and you can check it out at the7systemsplan.com.